Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about instant savings. Plus, I'm going to show you all a deal where you can get dish soap for over 60% off. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded a few other Dollar General videos for you all this week. We've got tons of new coupons, tons of new glitches. We have new clearance markdowns and a huge penny list with hundreds and hundreds of visuals. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and talk about instant savings at Dollar General. Instant savings can be a little bit tricky, especially when you are trying to combine it with a 5 off $25 scenario. So that's why I wanted to make this video. That way I can show you guys a couple of easy deals that y'all can do all week long. And then we're going to talk about how we can combine instant savings with your 5 off $25 scenarios towards the end of the video. So please watch it all the way through. So this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings deal for $3 off instantly when you spend $10 on any of the brands shown here. So we have Ajax, Murphy's, Suavitel, Palmolive, and Fabuloso products. And luckily, this week we also have some coupon matchups and cashback offers that we can stack right along with this instant savings deal. So first up, we did receive a 50% off one for the Palmolive dish soaps. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you'd pay $2.75. And then we also received a new 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Suavitel fabric softeners. Now, there's different ones that y'all can choose from. Just make sure that you scan it in the store to make sure that the digital coupon does attach. But these are all priced at $4 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners. These are the 128 fluid ounce bottles priced at $8. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $7. And then we also received this DG cashback offer for $2 back on the Palmolive 70 fluid ounce bottles. So these are priced at $5.50 each. After the cashback offer, that's going to make your final price $3.50. Now, like I said, with those coupon matchups and those cashback offers, we can combine those with the instant savings to get an even better deal. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you all two different deals that you can do this week at Dollar General. But I want you all to keep in mind that you guys can mix and match however you would like, whatever you need for your household. The main thing to remember with an instant savings deal is that you have to get to that $10 threshold. So let's go ahead and take a look at these deals, and keep in mind that you guys can do these all week long. So first up, for this first deal, you want to pick up one of the 128 fluid ounce Fabulosos at $8 and one bottle of the Suavitel fabric softeners at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $12. The instant savings of $3 will come off first at the register, and then your coupons are going to be applied. So your 1-off-1 Fabuloso and the 1-off-1 Suavitel. That's going to leave you paying $7 for both items. So it's basically like picking up the Fabuloso and getting the Suavitel for free. Now, this next deal is by far the best deal that I could find with the instant savings this week. So for this one, you want to pick up two of the Palmolive 70 ounce dish soaps at $5.50 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $11. The instant savings will come off first at the register, and that's going to leave you paying $8. But you're going to get $4 total cash back from the DG cashback offer, and that's going to make your final price $4 for two bottles, making those just $2 each, which is over a 60% savings. Now, I think that is a definite stock up price since these are on the larger bottles of dish soap. But if you guys want to take it a step further and combine it in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, I want you guys to remember that if you include this deal in a 5 off $25 scenario, your subtotal before any coupons must be at $28, because the $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and then your coupons will be applied. So your subtotal will still have to be $25 after your instant savings comes off. Now, hopefully that makes sense to everybody. I know it's a little bit hard to explain without showing you all step by step how to set up that transaction or how that would look, but I will include examples in our 5 off $25 scenario video for this Friday. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, I also want to go ahead and mention another kind of extra savings that we have going on at Dollar General this week. We also still have the P&G spend deal going on. So basically, that means that you have to spend $15 out of pocket, and then you're going to get back a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Well, as you guys know, we just received a ton of new P&G coupons. So I'm going to be putting together that video today. Hopefully I will have that uploaded by this evening. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys can get out there and score some amazing deals, and I will see you on the next one.